Good morning, students. Today we are going to study about birds, feet and claws. Where do birds live? How do birds take care of their young ones? First of all, we will study about feet. Birds have two legs to move around. Birds have 2 feet. They have 4 toes. Birds use their feet and claws to catch food, to protect themselves from their enemies, and to sit on tree branches. Different birds have different types of feet. Talons feet. Birds like flesh-eating birds, eagles, hawks and vultures eat or hunt other animals. They have strong and sharp claws that is called talons. They need sharp hooked claws to catch their prey. Students, look at their feet. They are having toes like hook. It is helpful for these kind of birds to catch the prey. These sharp hooked claws are called talons. These birds hold their prey between their talons while flying. Perching birds. Birds like pigeons, sparrows, crow and parrots perches or sits on tree branches. They have feet that help them to grip thin or thick branches easily. So perching means sitting on a tree by gripping the tree branches. They have 4 toes, 3 face forward and the 4th faces backward. They can move each toe independently. Scratching birds. Hen rooster need to scratch ground to take out worms and seeds. Their feet are like trawl. Trawl means it is a tool that is used for digging. Their feet are like a trawl. With their feet they can take out worms and seeds from the ground. They can scratch the ground and take out worms and seeds easily. Hen's feet work like trawls when they scratch the mud. Swimming birds. Birds such as duck and goose have webbed feet. Look at this picture. Look at their feet. They are having feet like a web. There is a web of skin between the 3 front toes. Webbed feet work like a paddles and help these birds in swimming. Wading birds. Herons and storks are wading birds who can walk in shallow waters. Their long slender legs with spread out toes help them to walk in water easily. They can catch their birds there. Wading means birds having long slender legs with spread out toes. This type of movement that help them to walk in water easily. This is called wading. Climbing birds. Birds like woodpeckers climb the tree and need to hold on to trees. Woodpeckers having long, sharp pointed beak. Through their beak they can easily make a hole in the tree trunk. They have 2 sharp claws pointing in each directions on their each foot. It helps them to hold the trees and balance while they tap on the trunk. In this picture, students, you can easily distinguish between the different different kind of feet of different birds. Wading bird, swimming bird, scratching bird, climbing bird, flesh eating bird. Where do birds live? Home of birds is called as a nest. Birds make their nest to lay eggs. They raise their young ones in that nest. A baby bird is called a chick. It stays in the nest till they get old enough to fly. Then they leave their nest and fly off. Birds use straw, fiber, wool, cotton, thread, twigs, leaves and even paper to build their nest. Mother birds lay eggs in the nest. Then they take care of eggs and keep them warm till they are ready to hatch. Mother birds lay eggs in the nest. Then they take care of eggs and keep them warm till they are ready to hatch. Hatch means to break. Different birds build different types of nest. Like nest in holes. A woodpecker makes a hole in a tree trunk with its beak. The hole is used as a nest. Nest on higher branches. Eagles make their nest on the higher branches of tree or on rocks. These nests are called eyries. Eagles' nests are called eyries. A woven nest. A weaver bird uses twigs, grass, leaves, hay, paper to weave a nest on a tree with its beak. The nest hangs from the branch of a tree. A stitched nest. A tailor bird makes its nest out of large sized leaves. Look at this picture. A baby bird in a large sized leaf. It is clearly seen in this picture. This nest is stitched by this tailor bird. It uses its beak like a needle. Tailor bird uses its beak like a needle to stitch the leaves together using cotton threads or threads from a spider web. This is called stitched nest. Nest on open ground. As you all know, penguins can't fly. Penguins cannot fly. That's why they make their nest on the ground with the few stones or pebbles. Because of their heavy weight, they cannot fly. They move on the ground. Penguins make their nest on the ground with a few stones or pebbles. This prevents the eggs from rolling away. This also protects them from melting ice. One interesting thing that you will come to know that the quail or the cuckoo does not make its own nest. These birds lay its eggs in the crow nest. The crow hatches the eggs. Crow takes care of quail eggs along with its own eggs. Each bird built its own nest in different surroundings. Caring of young ones. Birds lay eggs in the nest. Mother bird sit on eggs for some days to keep them warm. After few days, baby bird dwell. Mother sparrow, mother bird lay eggs and then hatch them. The father sparrow bring food for the family. Together they look after their young ones and feed themselves until they not learn how to fly. When the eggs hatch, the baby birds come out. Look at this picture, how baby birds are coming out from their eggs. Baby birds are weak and featherless. Look at this picture, they are not having feathers. They are very weak. The parents feed them and protect them from enemies. Thank you, students.